friends, welcome to Algoripo. So today we are going to see problem number 463, that is Iceland perimeter. So it is a easy level problem. So let's see what is the question. So in this question you will be given a two-dimensional integer grid where one represent one represent land and zero represent water. So you have to find perimeter of the land. So what it means that so if the question grid is here, so this is our land, so one represent land, so this represent Iceland, the combination of ones represent Iceland. So in the given grid only we will have only one Iceland, so one Iceland, so we don't have to worry that if this is this all ones are connected, and suppose we have one more one here which is not connected to this, so we have two islands. So in this case we don't have to check this, because in the question it is given that we have only one island in the given grid. So when we change this to this, means when we remove all the zeros, that all the water from the land, so at the end this is how our Iceland will look like. So what we have to find, we have to find perimeter of the Iceland. So what is perimeter of the Iceland? So we already know that perimeter of a Iceland is boundary boundary length. So uh, perimeter of this will be boundary or boundary length, total boundary length. So let's count for this island. So total how many boundaries we have? So boundary, so let's suppose this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So for this question we have total uh, 16. So the perimeter of this Iceland will be 16. So we will just return this 16 as a perimeter. So how we are going to solve this? So before solving this question we have to understand one thing, is that so when we will be given only given only one box, means only one land. If we have only one box land, then we will just return 4, because for one box we have four sides, that is four sides, so we will just return 4. And let's suppose we have two connected lands, that is 1 1. So when we join both the lands, we will have for land 1 we will have four sides, and for land 2 we will have uh, uh, again four sides. But when we add this, so this land will be sharing by each other. So the land by land 2 and land 1, so total two lands will be sharing common, and this will be not considered as perimeter because it is inside the boundary. So when we will be having two lands and which is connected, then we will just minus 2, we will just minus 2. So then when we will have two connected lands, when we will be having perimeter as 6. And in the same way when we will having 3, so we will add each land has 4 4 4, but we'll also for both these we will be doing minus 2, and for this we will be doing minus 2. So at the end, for three lands which is connected in this way, we will be having perimeter as 8. So you may be having a question that we can move in this in four direction. So we can also have these case also. So we will be not using this case, because we will see in few seconds that why we are not considering uh, this thing. Because when we'll be solving the question, we will be just using these three conditions. Either it will be single or it will be double. That is, if this is my I, then I will see my up case, or I will see if this is my I will see up case or left side case, left land or up land. Why? Let's see. So let me erase this first, so it will be very clear then. Mm, okay, let me draw this table again here so that it will be very clear. So diagram is not that much good, but we can have pretty good diagram. So let's suppose this is my question, this is my grade, and we have values 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. So this is my question, right? So we will be just solving this question using only uh, so we will be just using three directions. Let's suppose this is my ith index, so I will check I minus 1 comma j index and I j minus 1 index. So I will just see current index, up index and minus index, because we will be traversing in this direction. So we will first move in this direction, then we'll come here and again this direction. So first we will move in this direction, then we will come here to down again. We will move in this direction and I will come here. So I am at if I am here, then I can only see is there any island which is above me, and is there any land which is left to me, because my index is pointing to here. So I cannot check here in my right direction, and we can't go in diagonal. So we can't go in diagonal, so we will not count this diagonal. So we'll just we have only two options, that we can move in up or left direction. So we'll just check these conditions only, so in these two conditions only. So let's solve this. So we will have an perimeter variable, we will initialize with 0. So we'll come here. So whenever we see one proper box, we will just we will just return +4, and when we will having these condition, we will just add 4 plus 4 8 and 6 minus 2, we have seen earlier only. And we will, when we will having these condition, when three of them will be 1, then we will add 4 plus 4 plus 4 minus 4, because for here minus 2 and for here minus. So we will be having 8. So this is what we will do, right? So let's traverse in this. So we will reach here, we'll see if we have 1 or not, then we will come here. So we have 1. So what I will do, I will just add perimeter equals to 4, because I will add 4 here, and I will see if is there any uh, land which is above me, which is above me. So because we are moving out of boundary, so we don't have. And we also see in left side, is there any land, so we don't have. So we'll just add 4 here. Again we'll come here, again we'll come here, again we'll come here, again we'll come here. So we'll see 1. So what we'll do, we'll just add 4. So now we'll have 8. And again I will see in up direction, so we have 0, so we don't have any land in this. We are moving out of boundary, so we don't have any land. So we'll just, so till now my perimeter is 8. Again I will come here, so I'll see that again this is 8, so again I will add 4. So now 8 plus 4, that is 12, we have 12. And again see if is there any land above me. So yes, it is there. Whenever I found uh, um, above or left any land, I will just do -2, because this boundary is sharing between these islands. So I will -2. And again I will see in left direction, yeah, again we have. So again I will -2 it. So now my perimeter will be, from this will have 8. So for now my perimeter is 8. Again I will come here, again I will see so we got 1 again, so we'll just add +4. And again we'll see above direction we have 0, so we don't decrease it. And when we go in left direction, we again find 1 here, 1 here. So again we will do -2 here. So now my perimeter will be 8 plus 4 12 minus 2. So now my perimeter is 10. Again I'll come here, so we don't have 1, so again we'll come here, 0, again will come here, we found 1, so we'll add plus 4 here. So now my perimeter is 14, and I will see if above direction I have 1 or not. So we found 1, so again we will, so here we found 1, so again we will add plus 4, and oh sorry, I will minus 2. Whenever I find, I will minus 2, so I will minus 2 for this, and again I will see in this direction. So I don't have any land, so I will again don't do anything. So right now my perimeter value will be 12. Again I will come here, again I'll come here, then again I will come here and see that I found 1. So again I will just add plus 4, and I'll I'll see in above direction we have 0, again in this out of boundary, so we'll don't minus it. So right now my value is 4 plus 12, that is 16. So now my value is 16. So again I'll come here and see we have found 1, so my perimeter value is 16 plus 16 is from here, and again add 4 here, and I'll see in left direction and up direction. So we found 1 here and also here also, so we'll do minus 2 for both the cases, for here and for up case and left case. So this 4 will be cancelled, so my perimeter will be 16. Again I'll come here, we don't find any 1, so at the end my value perimeter is 16, so I will just return 16. So let's code. So before coding guys, if you are new here, please subscribe, and if you like the solution, please like the button. So let's code now. So what we have to do, first we have to find we have to create one perimeter. Let's name it as pair. So this will count my perimeter, and will move in grid. So I will use 2 for loops for moving in row direction and column direction, and it will move till grid dot size and I plus plus, and I will use another for loop to move in column direction, and I will use j as a, and grid grid of, I can use 0 or I here, so I will be using 0 here. There will be no difference in this case. Dot size and j plus plus. So what I will do, I will check first if grid of I j is equals to 1. So when we will be when I will be traversing, when I will be, so we can, so here sir, whenever I will be traversing in these directions, so I will, whenever I find 1, I will see in up direction and left direction. So first of all, before doing anything, I will just add perimeter has 4, and after that I will check if I'll check uh, grid of, that is up direction, that is I minus 1 comma j is equals to 1. Whenever I see, I will just add minus 2. And what if my I is here? So for row 1 I can't move up, so I have to check boundary case also. For that I have to see if my I is greater than 0, then only this condition will be possible. So let me decrease. Okay, so whenever I see up direction, whenever I see 1, I will decrease it. In the same way for left direction, for that I will use j greater than 0 and grid of I j minus 1 equals to 1. Whenever I see, again I will just decrease perimeter equals to 2 minus 2, and whenever I will come out of loop, I'll just return perimeter, that is per. and let's run now, and let's see if it is working fine or not. So we got runtime error. So let's see what is the error. If it is I and j minus 1, so we'll be looping away to size, and let's keep it here I only, and again we will see grid of dot size j plus plus grid of I equals to j. I'll just increase, and after that I will see two conditions. If my I is greater than 0 and I minus 1 j equals to 1. Let's run now. Let's see. Runtime error, we have some error, overflow to STL. Okay, I is less than 0, I plus plus, and for j equals to 0, grid of dot size, and grid of I equals to 1, perimeter plus plus, I minus 1. Oh, sorry, we have used or here, we have to use and here, sorry. We have to check both the conditions, that both should be true. Oh, sorry, that was a mistake. So test case is running fine. So let's see if the solution is working fine for all the base conditions. So yes guys, so it is accepted. So please subscribe guys if you find